Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to destination for make money online opportunities and tips to boost your online income. Today we've got a very exciting topic for you: how to make money online with dropshipping. Whether you're in it for some quick cash or aiming for long-term financial stability, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to unlock the secrets to skyrocketing your dropshipping profits. Are you tired of doubting the potential of dropshipping to fuel your financial success? Do you wonder if there's any room left for growth in this established business model? Well, it's time to put those worries to rest. So buckle up as we dive deep into the pathways to secure unparalleled dropshipping profits this year and beyond. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey together, because your future success awaits. Watch this video until the end as we explore 5 strategic tips that could skyrocket your success with dropshipping. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations when it comes to making money online with dropshipping. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get straight into the video. Are you ready to seize your slice of the dropshipping pie? In the realm of dropshipping, opportunity knows no bounds. The potential for jaw-dropping profits has never been more promising. But how can you ensure you're not just riding the wave but taking the lead? Fear not, for we have the answers. It's time to turn skepticism into certainty and hesitation into hustle. Are you ready to dive into the world of dropshipping and unlock the keys to e-commerce success? Let's delve into the intricacies of this revolutionary business model and discover everything you need to know before taking the plunge. What exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping isn't just a business model, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to the need for physical inventories or the hassle of stocking products in a brick-and-mortar store. With dropshipping, the world becomes your marketplace, and you can run your business from virtually anywhere. Here's how it works. When a customer purchases from your online store, you simply forward the order to a third-party supplier who handles everything, from packaging to shipping, ensuring the product reaches its destination seamlessly. Did you know that 20 to 30% of online retailers swear by dropshipping? That's right, it's a proven business model, with even industry giants like Amazon embracing its power. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its versatility. You can sell virtually any product in any niche without the headaches of traditional business operations. There is no need to worry about storing inventory, dealing with packaging, or making trips to the post office. With dropshipping, scalability is the name of the game. Best of all, you can say goodbye to the risks associated with upfront investments in inventory that may or may not sell. With dropshipping, you're in control, minimizing potential losses and maximizing your earning potential. Now that we've covered the perks of dropshipping, let's peel back the curtain and explore how this innovative business model operates. Let's unlock the mechanics of dropshipping. Have you ever wondered how dropshipping seamlessly connects you to a world of products without the hassle of inventory management? Let's demystify this game-changing process and unveil the key steps to transforming your passion into profit. In the world of dropshipping, you're the master orchestrator of your e-commerce empire. You handle the spotlight, crafting captivating marketing campaigns, building an enticing online presence, and nurturing relationships with eager customers. So what should be your mission? To showcase the wonders of your products and how they can enhance lives. But when it's showtime and the curtains rise, it's you, the dropshipper, who takes center stage with your website stocked and ready to fulfill orders. Now, what's your role? Simply send over the orders, pay the wholesale price, and watch as your customers receive their prized possessions with delight. It's a choreographed performance where every step is executed flawlessly. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the fees. Yes, there's a handling fee, typically around $2 to $5, in addition to the wholesale price and shipping costs. But fear not, for despite the thin margins, dropshipping remains a profitable venture. Picture this: you're not just selling products, you're curating experiences. And to thrive in the world of dropshipping, you need to tap into markets that are buzzing with demand. Find your sweet spot, a niche that aligns with your passions and resonates with your audience. When you're passionate about what you're selling, your marketing efforts transcend mere transactions. They become genuine connections. Your enthusiasm infuses every interaction, making your business a beacon of authenticity in a sea of commerce. After all, what's better than turning your passion into profit and getting paid to do what you love? So, are you ready to take the plunge and let dropshipping elevate your e-commerce journey to new heights? The stage is set and the audience awaits. Let the magic happen. But before diving headfirst into the world of dropshipping, arm yourself with knowledge. After all, understanding your products inside and out is the key to unlocking authentic and effective marketing strategies. The internet is booming with opportunities. A quick Google search for dropshippers or your niche plus dropshipper will unveil a plethora of options to explore. Now on to the crucial part, choosing the right dropshipping partner. While partnering with a dropshipper can be a game changer for your online venture, selecting the wrong one could spell disaster. To ensure you're making the right choice, arm yourself with these 4 key questions. Question number 1. How quickly will orders be processed and shipped from their facility? Conducting a mystery shop can provide first-hand insights into their efficiency. Question number 2. What shipping methods are available? Particularly crucial for international shipments is ensuring they offer reliable services like UPS and FedEx. Can customers opt for expedited shipping or overnight delivery? Question number 3. Do they have a robust tracking system in place? Transparency is key, and customers crave real-time updates on their orders. Question number 4. How do they handle issues like lost shipments? If they're your supplier, it's vital to know how they address such setbacks. Will lost shipments incur additional costs, or is the burden solely on you? As you embark on your dropshipping journey, it's essential to consider the finer details that can make or break your business, such as what assurances does your dropshipper offer? Are warranties and guarantees in place to safeguard your customers' satisfaction? And in the event of a product failure, how does the dropshipper respond? Armed with these questions, you'll navigate the dropshipping landscape with confidence, ensuring seamless operations and delighted customers every step of the way. These questions aren't just checkboxes, they're reflections of your business ethics. Remember, when a customer feels let down, it's your reputation on the line. Accountability starts with you, but don't just take their word for it. Dive into the digital world of forums, blogs, and social media and do some research. Here, the experiences of fellow entrepreneurs serve as invaluable guideposts, illuminating the path to success and steering you away from potential pitfalls. Now let's turn our attention to the art of profit-making in dropshipping. Here are 5 tips to elevate your venture to new heights. Tip number 1. Embrace emerging markets. The world of e-commerce knows no bounds, and developing countries present untapped opportunities ripe for the taking. With internet penetration steadily rising and purchasing power on the upswing, targeting these 3 regions can unlock a goldmine of potential. A. Internet penetration. As access to the internet expands across developing nations, so too does the pool of potential customers. With projections indicating a significant uptick in online connectivity, now is the time to position yourself for success. B. Rising purchasing power. From India to Mexico, emerging economies are witnessing a surge in disposable income, fueling a boom in online spending. Tap into this lucrative market to capitalize on the immense purchasing potential. C. Meeting demand. In many developing regions, supply struggles to keep pace with demand, a challenge that spells an opportunity for savvy dropshippers. By addressing gaps in accessibility, affordability, and availability, you can position yourself as the go-to source for sought-after products. In the dynamic world of dropshipping, success favors the bold. By embracing emerging markets and staying attuned to customer needs, you'll carve out a niche for yourself amidst the competition, driving profits and fostering lasting success. Ever dreamed of offering products that defy geographic boundaries, providing customers with treasures they can't find anywhere else? Online stores make this dream a reality, offering a gateway to source unique items that tantalize buyers' imaginations. Tip number 2. Explore the lucrative world of B2B dropshipping, a realm where the potential for profit knows no bounds. With the global B2B e-commerce market poised to skyrocket, Now is the perfect time to carve out your niche in this thriving sector. Yet, even in the bustling B2B market, success hinges on strategic evolution. Tip number 3. I urge you to rethink your approach, ensuring your product offerings resonate with your target audience's desires. Take the time to craft compelling product pages and watch as your conversion rates soar, propelling your dropshipping profits to new heights. In today's digital age, a mobile-first approach is non-negotiable. Tip number 4. I can't stress enough the importance of building a responsive web store and providing customers with a seamless shopping experience that keeps them coming back for more. Embrace the power of impulse purchases and watch as your profits flourish. Tip number 5. I encourage you to automate every facet of your operations, freeing up valuable time to focus on what truly matters. From product sourcing to order processing and beyond, technology empowers you to streamline your workflow and maximize efficiency. With these expert tips at your disposal, you'll revolutionize your dropshipping strategy, transforming your venture into a profit-generating powerhouse. So, are you ready to seize the reins and embark on a journey to unprecedented success? Before we get into why it's time to elevate your dropshipping game now, make sure to check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations when it comes to making money with dropshipping. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get back into the video. The time to elevate your dropshipping game is now. Imagine launching your own online business with minimal risk and maximum profit potential. With dropshipping, this dream becomes a reality. It's the ultimate shortcut to e-commerce success, offering a quick and easy entry point into the world of online sales. Say goodbye to the hefty upfront investments typically associated with traditional retail. With dropshipping, you're freed from the burden of stocking inventory that may or may not sell. Instead, your trusted dropshipping partner takes care of the logistics, from storage to delivery, leaving you to focus on what truly matters, building your brand and connecting with customers. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its versatility. Choose the right niche market and product, and you could find yourself on the path to profiting in no time. Plus, with the option to expand into additional niches and diversify your product offerings, the sky's the limit for your earning potential. But don't just take our word for it. Countless entrepreneurs are already reaping the rewards of dropshipping, with some even achieving 6- to 7-figure incomes. With the right strategy and dedication, you too can join their ranks and unlock the endless possibilities that come with a dropshipping business. Isn't it time to turn your entrepreneurial aspirations into reality? Take the plunge into the world of dropshipping today and seize the opportunity to achieve the healthy profits you've always dreamed of. Your journey to success starts now. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. For more make money online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video and I'll see you there.